आप लोग हटिए प्लीज। हिमेश भाई यहाँ जो क्या कर रहे हैं? हिमेश भाई सर इधर टल चलो चलो हम तो जा ही रहे उसके पीछे पीछे।
I request the media people to kindly please seated. आपको chance मिलेगा एक photograph का.
Sir, excellent, sir.
I request the media people to kindly seated.
Second studio album has to be done after Salute. It has to live up to the expectations, and the first 3 videos have got a very good response with so many million hits. And now before the music launch itself, I mean the album is being received so well, and now we have the beautiful, gorgeous Lulia Vantur, and it was something where I feel that every night and day this song, which has been, the audio has been released today, and as a composer I feel that she's done full justice to the song, and every word, every note. As a composer, I feel that as a singer she's done a fantastic job, and the official video will be shot soon. This was just the making of the teaser for the song, and the song has been released today, the audio, and I'm loving the song. I hope people like the song, and she is a talent which has an angelic voice, a voice which suits Bollywood. Today's like you must have heard the song. The song is completely fresh in terms of its sound designing. It's got a complete new designing, the production of the music. So it's new age. She's singing it perfect सुर में गाया है, perfect diction के साथ गाया है, बहुत अच्छा गाया है, and I am very happy with this association. And एक पहले I'd heard this voice where she'd you know, the तेरी मेरी theme, वो theme जब मैंने पहली बार सुनी थी तो इनकी आवाज़ में सुनी थी. She made me hear that theme, and it was divine. And after that, when this composition was made, I approached her and she said, well, I like this song and I'll do it. And she recorded it in about flat 2 hours max, which is also because she's a professional singer, and but to sing in Hindi was something where we were all yeah, that's it, बहुत मुश्किल है. And that's it. I'm very happy that I'm really happy that she sung the song so well. She's a talent to watch.
Many congratulations, Julia.
Thank you very much. Thank you. I mean, I'm honored.
बताएं आप हिमेश भाई के साथ काम करने का, हिंदी में गाना गाने का. अरे हम कुछ मत चिल्लाओ यार.
I'm very honored, first of all, to be part of this song, which is amazing. I love it. From the first moment when I heard it, I love this. So I said, okay, this is such a great chance to work with Himesh, because he's big here. Yeah, he's talented. He's multi-talented actually. And for me, it's a big honor. It's a big chance that I never dreamed of actually, because honestly, I'm telling you, I had no plans to work here, to do something here, because I have my own career in Romania. I'm a TV host, I'm a news anchor for many years. So music is just a passion for me, and I really love to do this. It happens, as Himesh said, a few years back, our journey started a few years back with Teddy Mary. I used to sing that song for my parents for Christmas. It's a carol song, and I used to sing it with all my heart because I put a lot of love for my parents there, right? So
This tune of the theme tune, which is used in Teri Meri, was given to me by something which is
yeah,
it should
it's
be.
a Romanian song, a Christmas
Then
carol
we just
actually.
developed it. That note, the way she.
Okay, I was thinking the Romanian if you want, yeah? Okay. La Betlehem colon jos, cerul arde luminos, prea curata stă și plânge pe Hristos. N-a răscutec de-nfășat, nici hăinuțe de-mbrăcat, prea curata pentru pruncul de-mpărat. This is the Romanian version. But Himesh made it so much more beautiful. He put his love there. So, what you know,
I think that's the beauty of Himesh bhai.
Exactly.
He gets the extra out of the person.
Exactly.
And many congratulations to both of you. और हमारे साथ मीडिया के बहुत सारे लोग जुड़ चुके हैं, बहुत सारे सवाल उनके जहन में चल रहे होंगे. Himesh bhai is all geared up to answer the questions, and the floor is open to me.
I will have a question. I know Hindi Torasa, you know? So, if you can mix it with English, that would be perfect for me. Thank you. No, he doesn't hate it. No.
Anand,
Yes, to be natural, to be myself. I think this is the most important thing when you meet someone, right? To be yourself, to be honest. And I'm here to meet you guys. I'm really sorry that I came late. Is the Indian traffic? I've been told this is the reason. I'm really sorry. But this is our first meeting, and I hope it will be pleasant for everyone, including me. So
yes.
we're waiting for the questions. You know, I like and dislike. You know, I used to present the news, the Romanian news, right? I didn't have an eye on Bollywood. This happened later, this years, and I really love Bollywood movies. I really love Bollywood music, and this song Teri Meri is the best I've ever heard, and I hope this one will be as successful as Teri Meri, because it's a hard work there. You know better than me how much he puts there in his music. So I'm very, very grateful, that's for sure.
भाई सलमान भाई जब म्यूज़िक को बहुत समझते हैं तो कई हिट गाने गा चुके हैं, कई द बिगेस्ट स्टार एवर, सो एंड अ ब्यूटीफुल ह्यूमन बीइंग, तो बहुत दिल से गाते हैं. एंड इवन शी व्हेन शी सिंग्स वो बहुत दिल से गाती है, और दिल से गाना बहुत ज़रूरी है सुरों के साथ, बिकॉज अगर आप दिल से गाओगे तो दिलों तक पहुँचोगे. एंड दैट इज़ समथिंग आपने ये सुना है, तो कहीं ना कहीं दोनों ही परफेक्शनिस्ट हैं, तो इसमें मुझे लगता नहीं है कि इसमें कुछ भी कोई कमी है. एज अ कंपोज़र मुझे लगा नहीं है कि भाई इसमें ये अगर हो जाता, इवन मुझे जब ये लगता है कि ये परफेक्ट है, तभी भी शी कॉल्ड मी एंड शी सेड नो नो नो, बट ये करेक्ट है. शी केम द सेकंड टाइम शी वांटेड, बट even that version was very good, so we retained some portions from that version also. सेम वे सलमान भाई परफेक्शनिस्ट, तो यही दिल से गाना और दोनों ही परफेक्शनिस्ट हैं, यही क्वालिटी मुझे लोगों में बिल्कुल सिमिलर लगती है। और ऐसी कोई क्वालिटी नहीं है जो मुझे लगता है कि दोनों में बहुत कुछ अलग है।
It started like that, no? Because of that, actually, I'm singing now because of that song and because of Himesh. So he heard the song and then make us meet through the phone. Actually, he met my voice first, Himesh, on the
I
phone.
heard a voice first.
Yeah.
First time it was definitely Salman Bhai made me hear this voice in the night. ये voice ये theme को बहुत कमाल तरीके से यूज़ करके हम लोग गाना बना सकते हैं। And then everything just flowed, you know. सारा दिन बीत जाए, सारी रात जगाए, everything it just flowed. And जब फाइनल गाना हमने रिकॉर्ड किया, वापस वो सुनाया, and then everyone just felt that yes, the soul was there, which was very important. And yes, Salman Bhai is in all the music that I've done, so it's great. It's great for me.
He's a very good friend, yes. And he's a very good friend for everyone who meets him. He has such a good heart and he's welcoming everyone. So this, I think you know already about him.
And I think let's also talk about the music thing here. इस बारे में कभी और बात हो जाएगी वैसे.
We sang already. We sang one song already, no? That is his call. He's the master. He's the boss here.
He's asking in the future.
Oh, in the future. I don't know. You know, with this thing, with the singing, everything came as a surprise for me. I was not ready. I was not ready for all this. He is a witness. Yeah. He called me. He said, "Okay, would you like to sing this song?" I loved it. I said yes. And then I came here. I recorded. Then the making of happened, and now this press conference is happening. So everything is happening so fast. Honestly, I don't know exactly what's happening. I will figure out later. But I think I'm enjoying it. And I think this is the most important thing in life, to enjoy everything you do. I love singing. It's a passion, just a passion. I'm not thinking to make a career out of this. But I'm enjoying what's happening now. So I'm going with the flow now. We'll see what will happen next. I don't know. I'm trying to learn. As I said, it's not so easy for me. But there are so many examples around. And there are people who are trying to help me. And I'm grateful for that. I'm trying. I hope next time when we meet, I will be able to speak Hindi. I hope so.
एक ही इसलिए क्योंकि मैंने अभी जो उनको अप्रोच किया और पहले गाने के लिए पूछा तो उन्होंने हाँ कहा है। अब मैं आगे और गाने डेफिनेटली उनको फिर से आस्क वेरी ब्यूटीफुल नंबर्स फॉर मी अगेन एंड आई होप यू से यस।
Always yes. Always.
वीडियो में तो डेफिनेटली वो होंगी और अभी हम लोग वीडियो की स्टोरी बोर्ड वगैरह पे काम चल रहा है। सो यहाँ मेकिंग एंड ऑडियो आज रिलीज़ किया है। सो ऑफिशियल जो इसका वीडियो है उसकी प्लानिंग हो रही है, जिसकी डिटेल्स अगले महीने आपको पता चलेगी।
Too many actually. Too many. Ooh, so many stories.
As we just said,
I mean,
as we just said.
to answer to every single story, I think it would be too much. You know, as I said, we're very good friends.